These AI tools are free, and almost no one is talking about them. Most people are still doing everything manually, while others are using AI to save hours every day. Tool 1. This AI writes blogs, scripts, even business ideas in seconds, and with the right setup, you can scale it fast. Tool 2. This one turns text into realistic human voice, perfect for content that runs 24/7. Tool 3. This AI creates thumbnails, images, even viral visuals instantly. Tool 4. This tool automates tasks like notes, planning, and workflows without effort. Tool 5. And this one builds systems that keep running, even when you're offline. These tools are quietly changing everything. The real question is, will you use them early or realize it too late? Start now. Links in description. Hidden tools inside.